Earn $5 up to $12 for each message you send. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and this is another Make Money Online opportunity that is worldwide and it pays straight to your PayPal account. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into today's opportunity here, it's going to be a quick one, so make sure you watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity I'm going to share with you here today. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is a perfect opportunity to make some extra money online while you build your real online business there. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, first we are going to the site here, which is streetbees.com, and this is how it looks when we arrive here. It says real people, real lives in real time, market research meets technology. You can see here that customers like Unilever, Vodafone, L'Oreal, Pepsi and BBC, they are hiring Streetbees here. And you can see that Streetbees, it says that it connects you with real people on the ground to gather real-time insights. So what they do, the companies here, they ask the right questions, they target the right people, and then they get verified responses and results are in. So of course they will have to take the decisions if they're going to move on and whatever it is all about. So it is more or less about giving feedback. You can see here we gather consumer data, photos and videos directly from our own on-the-ground community in 87 countries, which makes it, of course, worldwide. We're helping brands getting real insights on how people actually buy and use products. And you can see that there is real-time opinion polls here also. So basically what we are interested in is becoming a bee. So we're going to the section where it says become a bee. And you can see here, share your stories and have fun. Sarah, 22, she went to her first Holy Festival. This is more or less testimonials here. So what you do is you complete cool tasks for brands like the one that I mentioned earlier here. You pick one task, you answer questions and you get paid in cash. Really simple, 3 simple steps here to make money. So you can see that the tasks they ask you to do here, take a 1-minute video while you make a tea and you make £10. Now when I'm recorded this video, £10 is, you can see here, $12, okay? And here is another example. Say what you think of your mobile network and you make $5 here. So you see here, shall we start? It actually asks you. So you send a message, you take a photo of the brand of the coffee maker. Yes, please, you can see here, take a photo of the equipment. Boom, there you have it. And you have made your money there. Works really simple. So if you have a look at it, in Google Play, you can see here there are some screenshots. You can see if I open it up here, what do you think of the new juice concept? Looks healthy, I'd buy for my kids. Really simple, just send the message here. You can see that it says that Streetbees is transforming the way traditional market research is completed. And it spans over 87 countries as we mentioned earlier. So has pretty good reviews here also. It's definitely legit here. Or of course if you are on iPhone, it is available on the App Store too. I'm not gonna open the screenshots here because they are more or less the same actually. So it is really simple, okay? There is an FAQ section. I'm not gonna bore you here, but it is actually better for you to have a look at it at your own pace. So just go to StreetBiz, go to the frequently asked questions here and have a closer look at it. Now, you can actually make more money with StreetBiz, and that is by becoming an ambassador. So become a StreetBiz ambassador. What you do is you get paid to help them expand in your country. As you can see, it is available in 87 countries once again here. So you can apply for becoming an ambassador. Basically, here are some frequently asked questions also. Can I be an ambassador? If you're socially connected and are able to influence people, studying and working or having a spare 2 to 3 hours a week, what you do is it's really simple. You spread the word about StreetBiz through referring friends and family to participate in their mission, and you get paid for this every single time you refer a friend or you complete a task there. Okay, the company is actually in London, that is where they are based. So have a look at it. If you think you are a good fit of being an ambassador, you can make even more money with this. As I said in the beginning, this is something that you can make extra money on, but you can definitely you're not going to get rich with this opportunity. Now, if you're interested in building a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both. Both are mine and both are related. So make sure you subscribe to both. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.